Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have some remedies for the house, specifically for financial improvement. So, how every one of us we know that home is where the heart is, like this they say. It's a place where we feel safe, loved, and truly ourselves. The familiar sights, sounds, and smells of home create a sense of comfort and belonging that cannot be replicated anywhere else. Whether it's the cozy warmth of a crackling fireplace, or maybe the laughter of family gathered around the dinner table, or the peaceful quiet of a lazy Sunday morning. Home is where we find solace and joy. It's a sanctuary from the chaos of the outside world, a heaven where we can relax, recharge, and be ourselves, even if we are all the day in pajama. In the end, there is no place like home. Truly, it is sweet indeed. Before we start also with the remedies, I'm just going to give to you a very short tip that you can find also in the links below in the description or in the first comment of this video. But if you need any Vastu advice as per your astrological chart, again, you can find me on that links that I have. According to Vastu advice, for a new house, the main entrance of the house is not only the entry point for the family, but also for energy and vibrations. The main entry point of your house should face north, east, or northeast. Before buying or building a home, make sure to make some changes. And if your main door it is in other directions, we have remedies like colored tapes and all the remedies that we can provide on the course of Vastu by Vimeo link. One of the tip also near to the entrance door. Avoid installing a shoe rack or trash can outside the entrance. And use high quality wood to build the entrance. And many of that. So now let's go to see our remedies for today. In this image, you have a pair of red horses. Red horses provides a steady flow of money when they are in the south position and they should be facing north. The south direction refers to the element of fire, according to Vastu. Horses represent the element of water, and the color red refers to the element of fire, while both fire and water are opposing forces that destroy each other. Red horses have a funny ability to align these two components. There is a comparable balance between the fire and water element in the Manipuri chakra. Red horses allow you to maximize your efforts in a profession. Then this attempt turns into appreciation and money. This remedy gives you government relations, fresh vigor and strength, and also helps you build a pleasing profile in your business and social groups. Next, by placing a pair of white horses in the northwest area of your building or home, you can ensure that banks and other financial entities meet your financial loan requirements. This solution removes any financial or money related obstacles. White horses allow easier access to cash and ensure a smooth flow of income in a partnership. If you are in a profession and want to raise your salary, the pair of white horses is just the solution you need. The power of the Northwest Zone is responsible for promoting banks and financial institutions to provide you with monetary assistance, creating a scenario where the vision of an improved salary package can become a reality. Only if you believe on that, and only if you really need that particular remedy. Every one of us, we need remedies. And believe me that whatever I have here for you, I first try. But doesn't matter if you don't believe. Just try. Just experience that. And after 1 week, 2 weeks, just give me a feedback by a comment. Let's go to the next one. This one, it was the best and it is the best. A pair of golden horses is a symbol of luck, wealth, stability, control, nobility. Where is the best place? Is the southwest corner of the room or office to gain mobility and bring the desired respect, fame, and popularity to life. When is to southwest facing northeast will bring to you also power. Why is that? At first, just think that on northeast is Jupiter. It's a heavy one and it comes with wealth. But just helping this energy to come in your house. Sometimes we need remedies to improve the energy of the house. Next one, and a funny one that, believe me, is just working instantly. A pair of black and white rabbits. That ensures you that your relationship will start working for you. This is the first one. These rabbits are experts in creating relationships, contacts, and building a network that is useful for your business and career. It reduces unwanted overanalyzing of the mind and helps you to be at peace with your own self. All your deeds are rewarded. If you want to be known in the internet world, place a pair of rabbits under your monitor and you will instantly see a social media improvement. If you need any advice, you can just link and use the link below. But please do not put that rabbit in a placement that is not good for you, because otherwise the place leads to reverse changes. There are many ways that we can have all these energies in our house. By Vastu, we try to give a better, improved energy to our house. And the first thing that you must know, available for every single person, house must be clean and neat, smelling nice. All this, and by improving your energy to your home, you can see also to my site and my blog. You have all the links down. Just use some of them. Just try to change the energy of the house, because we become the energy of the house, and the house is becoming the energy that we have. Have a wonderful time. Keep smiling, because life is so beautiful. And if you need any help, if you want some of these tips, you can find them in the links below. If you desire to try these remedies, just find them in the link below. But those that they are interested to take a whole course of Vastu to improve their life and the life of others, I'm waiting for you on Vimeo. You have the link below. Thank you and keep smiling.